Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas now trading at a level of $3.4580. Okay, we are making this video in the current market. As you can see, the price of natural gas is moving. If you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, opposite U pattern is forming. After that there is an upside, and now the price is moving at this particular level. So we can see it can touch a level of 3.36, and if started going below this level, chances are very high it can touch a level of $3, and from there it can move below this particular level. So we will see that because this is already being tested, so chances are high the price will go further down, and from there it can touch a level of $2.89. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see there can be a further downfall. But if started sustaining above this level, probability is high it can go further upside and can touch a level of 3.64, and this is already tested, so we can see the price will go further high, and from there it can touch a level of 3.74 to a level of 3.95. Okay, chances of going further down is on a higher side because this pattern is supporting this trend, as well as we have seen a red candle is forming for this particular week with a strong support at 3.37. If it breaks this down, we can see the price will fall further down, and from there it will move towards 3.12, and then a further fall we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. So this is the price of natural gas is moving in this range. So if it started sustaining this level, okay, and goes above this level, we can see it can touch a level of $3.58, and once started going above this level, probability of touching 3.62 we can see. Okay, and if the price going above that particular level, chance of touching 3.83 we can see, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see it will move above a level of $3.99. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so the price are high that it can cross a level of $4.2. Okay, and if it started going above this level, a further upside we can see. So see, the price of natural gas depends on a lot of factors. One of the factor is dollar index. Okay, and the other factor are also there, Fed rate and interest rate also. And because see, you have to understand, when there is increase in the dollar price, we see the dollar index and natural gas are inversely related. So when there is increase in the dollar prices, we can see there is an impact on import and export, because suppose you are ordering this amount of natural gas, you have to pay for the same amount of quantity with huge with their increase in the dollar price. Similarly, there's a benefit if the price of dollar goes down. Okay, because for the same price we have to pay a little less amount. Okay, so now looking at this particular chart, let's see the dollar index for this week. We have seen it is forming a green candle. Okay, and chances are high that if it started going below this level, and if started going below a level of 99, which is already tested, so it will go further down and it can touch a level of $98.6. And suppose if started going below this level, chance of touching 97.8 will be there. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will fall further down, and from there it will touch a level of $97.4. Okay, and suppose if started falling below that particular level, chance of touching 96.9 will be there, and then a further fall, because this level we have seen after a long time. Okay, but if started sustaining above this level, probability of touching 99.9 we can see, and if the price going above that level, probability of touching 100.3 we can see, and from there a further high towards a level of around $100.8. Okay, and if that sustain, a probability of touching $101.9, and then there will be a zone, we can see a further upside movement. Coming back again on the natural gas price, what we can see, if you look at the particular trend of natural gas, clearly explain you that chances are high that the natural gas price can come down, because we have seen that the dollar index is also going high upside, trying to go upside. But if it started falling below $99, chances of going towards 97.8 will be there, and then it can touch a level of 96. Okay, see, if the price started going below this level, chances of going towards a level of 3.39 we can see, and if started going below this level, chance of touching a level of 3.35. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will fall further down towards 3.3, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards 3.16, and if the price going below that particular level, chance of touching a level of around $3.075. Okay, and if it started going below this level, chance of touching 2.98 we can see, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will fall further down. Okay, and it started falling below $3. There is a probability of touching a level of $2.95, and from there a further fall we can see towards 2.68. Okay, and then further low. You have to understand there is a higher chances of going towards 3.36 to a level of $3, and from there a level of 3.14 to a level of $3, and from there it will, after $3 it will fall below a level of $2.98. Then there will be a zone breakout, so it can touch a level of $2.93, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 2.73. But if it started sustaining above this level, a probability of going towards a level of around 3.5 we can see, then to a level of 3.56, and if started going above this level, probability of touching 3.65, then to a level of 3.7, and from there a level of 3.18. Once started going above this level, probability of touching 3.84 we can see, and from there a further upside we can see towards a level of 3.94, and if the price going above this level, probability of touching 3.95 to a level of around 3.9, and then a further upside movement we can see after $3 to a level of around 4.06, and then a further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it.